Hey, good morning. It is Tuesday, and it is cold down here in sunny Florida this morning. As you can see, the ice on my neighbor's roof over there. We had old Jack Frosty Poo stop by last night. I'm hoping that this clears up quick. I'm about tired of this winter. Old man winter's got to go and take a dirt nap somewhere. Anyway, we are powered by Ameritech pressure cleaning systems in Tampa. Today we're going to be doing a roof job, and we're going to be doing that with this wonderful machine right here. This is the ZETA 40P chem sprayer. We are going to be using the proportioner system this morning on this job. We got a roof and a pool cage on the same property, and that's going to be a wrap for today. That's a big money ticket, so that's all we need to do for one day, and then we'll come home and we'll see what's happening around here. A couple things I can get knocked out of the park, maybe go pick up some supplies, whatever I need to do at the end of the day. That's what we're going to do. I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. I was reading in the comments, a lot of people appreciate the advice on how to operate a business, how to start it. I forgot to mention yesterday, if you are going to start one of these businesses, I think it's $1,999 now. Hey, with free shipping. But you can go to Power Wash Direct or directpressurewashing.com, and you can order a kit. It's going to come with 100 feet of hose, a ball valve, an 18-inch surface cleaner. It's going to come with a 4,000 psi Pressure Pro Honda GXI. I think that's what they are, 390, 4 gallon a minute machine. You're going to get an extension wand with that. You're going to get a whole full set of tips. It's a complete kit to get started in this business. And that's what I did. I bought that, and then when I had my first breakdown, like I said, it took me 4 days to get my equipment fixed, so that I immediately bought another machine that week. And I've never had that problem since. If you don't have two of everything, you can find yourself with a difficult situation. Customers hate when you have to cancel, especially when they've been looking forward to getting their stuff cleaned up. So make sure, always invest in the gear, upgrade your equipment. Look what I have here. Now, it took 5 years of being in business to get to this point right here. This rig today would cost you like $55,000, $60,000. I got 52 in it, but that's when prices were good, before the aluminum went through the roof and all that good stuff, inflation. So it's inflated. I think I paid $5,000 for the trailer flat. Now the trailer is like $8,500. That's how much price increase on aluminum has gone up. It's ridiculous. Anyway, hopefully it comes down someday. But get two of everything if you can. Retain the money in the business. You know, you have to buckle down for at least the first 2 years. Don't go out to eat restaurants all the time. Instead of once a week, go once a month. You know, put that money in the bank. Sit back and smile with a nest egg and a good business. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. We'll see you at the job. Let's get after it. Okay, here's the roof. It needs a good cleaning. And we got some leaves up here. So what we're going to do is take the wash jet tip. I'm going to blow those leaves up over that side, okay? Then we'll be able to get on the other side and blow them off this way. This way they won't be in the way anymore. My insurance does not allow me on a roof, so I won't get up there. But we have methods to get the stuff off of there. And my customer said do the best job we can. So that's what we're going to do. All right, we'll be back. We're also going to be doing the pool cage in the back after we get this roof done. Let's get after it. Hey, leaves be gone, eh? All right, we're gonna go get the ladder. We'll be right back. Okay, with the ZETA, you'll be able to hit this roof just standing here on the ground, okay? All right, it's a little chilly out. Let's see how long that dwells. We're only gonna do half of it for right now, so we can show the difference in the cleanliness of the roof. All right, we'll be back. All right, look at the difference. It's looking way better over here. Here's the area that's black still in the middle that's not been treated yet. And this side over here, I just treated it. So you see how much cleaner that is? That looks really nice, okay? Big difference. Now we just got to get over there. Need a little bit more hose to get around the back over there. All right? All right, we'll be back. Let's get after it. Let's have a look at that poppin' hoppin' roof right there. Now we're going to work our way around this way, get this corner done, a little bit of the back of the house over there, and then we're going to get the ladder and come around the back, and we'll go right out the pool cage right to the other side of the roof, and we'll get this puppy done. All right, let's get after it. And then you did notice I was watering down all the bushes, which I'm going to do that again. It seems like the gutter's dripping over there in the corner, so we're going to be okay right there. I don't think it'll have any effect, and I'll run this trickle hose on this plant here for a little while before we get done. All right, but look at that roof, it looks good. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look around. Temperatures are all warmed up down in my shorts. Look how beautiful that roof came out. Really, really nice. Let's go around the back here and check it out. Also did another little roof job in the back here on this barn. Came out really nice as well. That ZETA works great when it works. I'm even going to start advertising to do roofs with minimal landscape. And everything came out really nice. And always, you can't rinse this out enough. You're just going to let it rinse and rinse and rinse. Okay, but here's the pool cage right here. And look at that roof on the back of the house. Looks really good. All right, now we took the ZETA and we went over here, did this barn. He just wanted me to hit it real quick. He wasn't worried about that stuff on top, but I will blow it off when I get the wash jet tip out this way. We'll see what that looks like under there. Should be pretty good though. I soaked it with chlorine. Okay, then I went ahead while I had the ZETA out and I walked it down the outside of the pool cage, which cleaned it. Really good. Except for this little spot down here on the end. And we'll peek out the door here and get after it. Look at that roof. Came out beautiful. Looks really, really good. Okay? Alright, now we're going to get in here and get after this pool cage. And that'll be it. And he's got some paper guys coming, so we don't really got to do much with the deck. Just get the cage cleaned up, rinsed off, and we'll be out of here for the day. What a good day, huh? Alright, I'm Don from Super Blast. It's time to get the hose into the pool cage, and then we're going to get after it in there. All right, we'll be right back. All right, let's come on in here and have a look at this pool cage. I've done this cage. This is my third visit out here to do this. Keeps it pretty good. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 6 beamer, which is no big deal. We'll go ahead and put this down the other end so we can see everything, but it's just got your basic, just needs a basic wash. The outside was dirtier than the inside. So we'll put this over here, blocking any kind of sun stuff we got to deal with. All right. Let's get after it, shall we? Okay, let's have a look. All the mold's gone. This end of the pool cage was the worst. The gentleman's got it all vacuumed out. He thought I was going to make a mess back here. Ain't making no mess. See how it's just got to be rinsed off with the wash jet tip up there, and over there, that was the worst part. So now we'll just rinse the rest off, and we'll be done with this job. All right, let's go look at the outside that we were talking about doing before. We just went outside and did it. I mean, we had black algae there. There was a big bee's nest in the window, so I did the back of the house, and look how that roof looks, huh? Got the outside of the cage looking beautiful. Everything looks great. All right, now let's get after the ever so satisfying rinse. Then we're gonna go to the bank, go home for an early lunch, enjoy the rest of the day. Might take a ride to Ameritech. We'll have to see. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a final look. It looks really good. The whole thing came out nice. Like I said, we don't have to worry about the deck today. We got paper guys coming. We got the windows all clean. The roof is spotlessly clean. Look how new that looks. The windows are clean back here. All the gutters are clean. Regular customer courteous things that I do. It keeps me in business. The guy just told me, you ain't never going anywhere. You'll always be coming here. So it's a regular customer. You got to build your customer base. Okay. Now, if you notice, when I started the cage, I did the outside first, rinsed it all off, then I came in here and started on one end. You got to get every single piece of the cage covered, and just start at one end and go all the way down. Then rinse accordingly. If you don't do that, then you're going to miss spots and everything else. So just do everything consistent, uniformly. Then you got to rinse out the gear, okay? We're done for the day. And wonder what time it is. Let's check it out, all right? We got here at 8:30. I started working about 10 to 9. So let's see what time it is. You ready for this? Huh. It's 10:27. Can you see that? 10:27. About an hour and a half. You don't want to know how much I just made in an hour and a half. Get after it now. Buy that kit I was telling you about this morning. Get out there. Pressure wash your whole entire family's properties, and by the time you're done doing that, you're going to know a little something about something, and you can start your business. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Have a great day, and remember, always, get after it. Pretty simple advice. See you tomorrow. Don here from Super Blast. My whole family gets after it. Even my dog gets after it. Watch this. Hey, Sam, sit down. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Get after it. What do we do, hon?
We all get after it.
See that? Get after it.